Updating your legal name on your media membership is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is changed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Medium account. Visit the Medium website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to update the name. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit your profile information. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Here, you will find your current name displayed. Click on the edit icon or the field itself to make changes. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your new name, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to confirm your changes. You should receive a notification that your profile has been updated successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on your Medium membership. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Medium support for assistance.